Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick guide with Google Drive. So, first of all, head to the drive.google.com, open your Google account to sign in. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one for free. And here, this is the interface of the Google Drive. Google Drive offers you 15 gigabytes for free. You can also get more storage to save up even more, up to 100 gigabytes, 200 or 2 terabytes for the premium. I'm choosing the free offer for now for this tutorial. So, first of all, you can add new folders or upload new files from Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms, or from all of these apps. You can also upload a folder or a file directly from your computer. This way, you can send big files or you can save up big files on your Google Drive without worrying about losing them ever again. Here, you have your drive, shared drives, different computers, and this is the section of shared with me. So here, you'll find all the files and folders that people shared with you from their Google Drives. There is the spam and there is the trash for when you delete certain folders and files. They remain in trash until you take them from trash, or you can directly recover them from here. You can also use the search bar to search for different files and folders if you got a full Google Drive or a busy one. And here you can use Google Calendar, Keep, Tasks, and Contacts. And you can also get other add-ons of Google. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.